My name is Charles Levine. I'm the owner of Hemp Acres, and I'm going to walk you through the cleaning of industrial hemp seed with the use of GCS's equipment. So here we see the combine picking the hemp from the field, and the goal is to bring as much leafy material into the hopper as possible that is then augured into a gravity wagon or semi-truck that will then go to the farm. So the first piece of GCS equipment is the scalper. The scalper uses shaking and screens to remove the heavier chaff and leaf material that comes off of an industrial hemp field in the combine. This is a really important step because you don't want to have this heavy leafy chaff that's ending up in your grain in your bin. It causes spoiling, and ultimately you're losing product that is very valuable that can go to CBD extraction. The next step after the scalper is going over to the density sorter, where we remove finer leafy material from the seed. Now we're on to the density sorter. This machine here uses air and sorts the material by density, so the seed falls through first, which goes directly into your bin, clean to about 95%, and the leafy material, which I'm holding here in my hands, is all the leafy surrounding plant material that encompasses the seed. So this is high in CBD, which can go to further extraction and processing. So now we have our clean grain. This is about 90 to 95% pure hemp seed. We've removed all the leafy material that contains CBD, and we're left with a clean seed that goes for further drying to get down to 9% moisture, and then can go off to processing. With the number of industrial hemp processing equipment manufacturers entering the market, I believe GCS has come up with an economical solution to removing the leafy biomass off of industrial hemp fields.